But like, well, for me, like sometimes if I'm wearing it down, or if I'm wearing like flip-flops like that.
Well, I don't know if this helps anybody.
Oh, there you go.
I'm 5'2½", and it's not touching the floor. So I had my heel on because I'm on television, so I just feel like the heel is the best shoe choice, but it is not touching the ground at 5'2½". So unless you're under 5 foot,
then it's gonna be okay.
Yeah.
I'm just
and then
your
pull it up
resident
higher.
pig
That's
fan
what I
a little bit. Like, so, because I will have these on with like, you know, or like, I'll step in the puddle, like.
It's most, but I took my shoes off earlier.
To show,
they do not touch the ground. They do not drag on the ground at 5'2½", which is my height. If you are under 5 foot, maybe get your tiny little kitten heel or wedge out,
and
but most of us should be good.
Absolutely, and the white on the bottom, throw it in with your colors. It's not a problem, an issue at all. I wanted to shout out.
Wear these around the house, and then when you do decide, oh shoot, I should go and get this done, or I should leave the house and go get this errand taken care of, do it in this pant.
I know, it's this pant is just so great. It's so different. Also, I love that it's so different. Get our Flexwear home. This is
Palm Springs. Laura, what do you want to do today?
Shop.
Oh, what about the pool?
The pool for sure.
Yes, and the sunshine's so nice.
Oh, it's so warm in here.
What the? What? Oh, wait a minute. Dorothy, we're not in Palm Springs anymore.
No.
We're in Studio Park.
Wait.
It's Fashion Day, the final day, and it's not just you and me. It's a live studio audience. A 15, a regular of 17, and they're on sale for $44. Detailing, and on sale today for $79 instead of our price, which is $86, or somebody else's price, which is open.
It's
like
not,
even if you're moving, it doesn't really open up that much. It just gives you the fashion sense that you need without being scandalous. I mean, you don't want to take them off. Look at the room. I don't like a tight leg. I like to think I have a nice, strong, athletic leg. I like to travel. I mean, when you're stopping for lunch and stopping and you're wearing them with little sneakers or flip-flops, it works. And then dress them up for beach dinners or wherever you go.
And you're comfortable and not wrinkled.
Yes.
Speaking of summer, and you said it before, I mean, we always say like beach pant, but it is. It's funny, sand doesn't like Flexwear. So like I've taken this to the beach.
You guys, because y'all tell me straight up, I want to make.
Everybody, this is Kate.
These are our gals.
Yes. And Kate, remind me, how long have you been with QVC? 32 years as a QVC model.
Is that amazing? That's different incarnations, but this really is so fabulous on all of us. If you haven't tried it year-round, like I'm not in shorts next lifetime, and I'm not.
All this detailing, and on sale today for $79 instead of our price, which is $86, or somebody else's price, which is triple digits. Plus, it only costs.
First I annihilate Gabby, then I decimate her friend. Ravage these girls, rearrange them and tear them apart. So many loads.